Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to interact with you people about again errors, but errors in the uses of articles. We have already finished the errors of knowing tenses. In knowing tenses, errors we make simply when we use shall and will, errors which actually we do make in day-to-day life conversations. So errors filled in our conversation in day-to-day life. So let's know now, for now, the errors in the uses of articles. So let's waste no more time and hurry up into our video. So sentence number 1 is that my elder brother is a MA, whereas I am only a BA. So in this sentence which I have framed here, can you people guess what sort of errors are hidden in the articles that I have used in this sort of sentence? Let me say to you people. My elder brother is AMA, wrong, is an MA, whereas I am only a BA. Yes, it's correct, I am only a BA. Okay. Next sentence. USA is the richest country in the world. Is richest country is the richest country in the world. Here you need to insert. There you have replaced articles, which is an error while you are constructing a sentence. Here you are in this next form of sentence, you are inserting or involving some sort of article in which you use here. So, well, when the next sentence says as, this is a news to me. This is a news, not required guys, not required to use a here. This is news to me. This is a news, wrong. This is news to me, simple. Okay, you are done. Next sentence. The man is mortal. The man is mortal. Man is mortal. Enough. Next sentence. Our principal is a man of principles. Our principal is the man of principle. The man of principle, no, wrong. A man of principles. That's the correct form of sentence. So next sentence. That is, higher we go, cooler it is. Higher we go, cooler it is. Cooler it is, correct, but you need to insert a kind of article in between, that is, the cooler it is. That is correct. Next sentence. Punjab is a land of braves. Punjab is land of braves. Is land of braves, wrong. Is a land of braves. Okay, I hope you're understanding that I am saying the errors in the sentences first, later followed by the correct form of sentences with correct sort of articles which you use, you insert, you replace, or you omit. Okay, next sentence. The honesty is one of the choicest gifts. The honesty, wrong. Honesty, enough. The, not required. Honesty is one of the choicest gift. This is the correct sentence. Next sentence. I attended the college every day. I attend the college every day. I attend the college every day. The college every day, wrong. I attend college every day. Enough. That is the correct form of sentence. Next sentence. He is a blessed man in the town. Sorry guys, here in the sentence I have already spoken the correct article sentence. I hope you haven't guessed that it's the wrong form. He is a blessed man in the town. He is the, I have already spelled it. He is a blessed man in the town. He is the incorrect one. Here the correct form of sentence is he is the blessed man. I have already said it. In the incorrect sentence, only the correct ones. So next sentence. The gold is a precious metal. The gold is a precious metal. Wrong. Gold is a precious metal. Enough. Next sentence. In this way, the game came to end. In this way, the game to end, wrong. To an end. That's correct. So, well, in the next sentence goes as, he is a great statesman than administrator. He is the greater statesman than administrator. Than administrator, Than administrator, wrong. Than an administrator, I mean it's the correct form of sentence. Well, we go with the next sentence. It speaks as, the breakfast should be light, but the breakfast I had this morning was heavy. The breakfast, wrong. Breakfast in the morning should be light, but the breakfast I had taken this morning was heavy. That's it. This is the correct form of sentence. So, well, uh, I think that I have at least a bit kept forward my views about what I have made it to say in the errors of in the uses of articles. So in the uses of articles, we actually do commit certain kind of errors. So I hope you have understood certain kind of understood some sort of articles which actually we make or we commit as an errors. So we need to rectify it. In place of a and the were not required, remove it. So replace some sort of articles with the correct ones, otherwise insert it, or actually omit or pick off the articles which are not required, which are enough when the word is simple at least. So keep in mind all such words which are the incorrect form of sentences, that too the correct form of sentences, so that you can know that what incorrectness you have made in the sentence and how to correct it. So I have in the previous videos already spoken to you people or interacted to you people. They use a lot of discussion about what are the kind of tenses, what are the kind of errors in the tenses we usually make, and what sort of errors we commit while when we are conversing with the persons in front of us, that too in a daily life basis. And that too, what are the kind of errors which actually we make, silly kind of errors in the day-to-life conversation or when we are writing well. So today we have learned at least a bit about the errors which we are making in the uses of articles. So hope you have liked this video, and also I hope that you will subscribe to my channel and also learn with me the English, and also convert your ideas from the correct grammar to the from the incorrect grammar to the correct sense of grammar, so that you can know and learn with me so well to improve your skill of tuning up your language. So because tuning up your language is the best thing I have ever seen when you have learned execution to a far level. So let's come and learn English, and also improve our English speaking skills it to a greater extent. So let's waste no more time, and also I hope that you have already seen most of my videos relating to the errors, whether in the sentences due to life conversations, or the errors we commit in the uses of tenses, in the uses of articles, and so many, right? So I have a home task for you guys, that you should create such kind of sentences which are correct from these sentences which you have spoken in your day-to-day life from morning to night, the sentences you have spoken, and from those sentences what sort of tense mistakes, what sort of article mistakes, what sort of mistakes or general mistakes in the uses of noun, pronouns, adjectives or adverbs, what sort of errors you have made, whether in the parts of speech or errors in the uses of tenses. Let me know, guys. So the communication words from starting to the ending of the day, you enlist that what all you have spoken in the language of English, and at least you will get 5 to 10 sentences, at least 5 sentences minimally, which you can enlist in a piece of paper that I have spoken this sentence to the point, that too I have put forward my views, but with a sort of grammatical mistakes hidden in it. So what sort of grammatical mistakes are hidden in it, which makes in the sentence completely incorrect. So how to rectify it? What sort of words to be inserted, to be replaced, or to be omitted from the sentences to make it correct and sensible. So I have this home task for you. I hope you will already again solve with me this kind of home task and come with some sort of comments in my video. Hope you have liked my video, and also I hope that you will surely subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the like button, because your sort of subscription and hitting of bell button can fetch you with use a lot of notifications by which you can tune up your language to the best level. So yes, I'm done with today's content. Hope you have liked the video, and that's it. Thank you.